Welcome everyone. I am Sakshi Mane from SG Balekundri Institute of Technology, Belgavi, from Department of Computer Science and Business System. Today, here I am going to explain about the subject called SCR, Social Connect Responsibilities. This contains five activities, and the activities are: the first activity is plantation and adoption of a tree, and the second activity is heritage walk and craft corner, and the third activity is organic farming and waste management, and the fourth activity is water conservation, and fifth one is food walk, and the seventh one is learning outcomes. So now we are going to explain module 1, which is plantation and adoption of a tree. Here I planted a jamun tree. Jamun tree is significantly known as the Anjuman cumin. Is served evergreen tree native to the Indian subcontinent with its straight trunk and pyramidal crown. It stands 30 to 40 feet tall, and some of the usage of these jamun trees are: it is enable fruit, and the second one is medical purpose, and the third one we can use the wood of the jamun tree, and the fourth one is bark, and the fifth one is shade and ornamental value, and the sixth one is honey production, and eighth one is cultural and ritual significance. Here are the some photo gallery, and the second module is heritage walk and craft corner. Heritage walk, I chosen the place called Kamal Basti. It is a traditional heritage of Jain um, Parampara, Pratishtha and Anushasan. Remember the famous dialogue of Amitabh Bachchan? Well, these lines are just some dialogues, but they define Indian roots, how we value our culture, heritage and traditions. This feeling, and we landed and hooped in our next destination, which is called Kamal Basti, a traditional heritage Jain temple which was built by Bircha Raja, also called as Jaya Raja, in the century of 1204 CE under the guidance of Jain monk. It has a great history, and some pictures are given below. Now, the craft corner. Wine looms are intricate weaving machine designed to particular crafts used in medical procedures such as bypass surgeries and other. These crafts are essentially for restoring blood flow in cases of damage, disease, and blood vessels. The loom operates by interlacing fine threads or materials like polyester and PTFE and other biocompatible substances. The key points about the wind loom is design and structure. Second one is operation. The third one is materials, and the fourth one is a particular technique. And the fifth one is cultural significance, and sixth one is continuation. Here are the some photos where we visited the wine looms. And the third module is organic farming and waste management. Now, organic farming is an agriculture approach that empathizes sustainability and natural process. It avoids synthetic chemicals, genetically modified organisms, and force on maintaining soil health through the practice like crops rotation and compositing. This method aims to produce food in harmony with nature. The advantage of organic farming is environmental sustainability. Organic farming practice prioritize soil health, reduce water pollution, and promote bio animal welfare, crop rotation, and natural pest control, sustain water management. These are the advantage of organic farming. And there are some disadvantage of organic farming. These are lower yield. Organic farming often yield less produce per acre compared to the conventional method. And the second one is land use effectively. And the third one is these organic pesticides are higher in the price. And the fourth one is limited synthetic input use. And the fifth one is transposition impact. There are the many organic farming benefits are also there. Organic farming boosts several benefits that contribute to environmental sustainability, human health, and overall agriculture. Now, we are going to discuss waste management. What is waste management? The introduction of waste management is a systematical approach to handling, collection, treating, and disposing of various types of waste in an environmental, sustainable, and socially responsible manner. The usage of waste management is the practice of waste management serves several essential purposes, contributing to the environmental sustainability and public health. The first one is resource conservation. Recycling and reusing materials through the waste management help conserve valuable resource, reducing the demand for raw materials and minimizing um, environmental impact. And the second usage is environmental protection. The third usage is energy recovery and reduce greenhouse emission. Fifth one is public health environment. Sixth one is land conservation. Seventh one is economic opportunities. And eighth one is community well-being. And ninth one is regular compilation. Here we visited a organic farm and the waste management plant. Now the fourth module is water conservation. Reason behind water conservation is climate change, and the second one is population growth. The rapid population growth leads to the higher water demand for the agriculture, industrial, and other usage. And the second one is inefficient water management. The poor water management practice includes leaks, sunroof, and inefficient irrigation method in agriculture. And the fifth one is population. Sixth one is over extract of groundwater. Seventh one is deforestation. And eighth one is land degradation. Now the ways for conservation of water is fix leaks and water install water effective applications, rainwater, collect the rainwaters, and smart irrigation and native landscaping. Sixth one is shorter showers. Eighth one is full loads only. And ninth one is turn off functions. Here are the some photos of water conservation from my city. Now the fifth module is food walk. For the food walk, we chosen the dish name called methi paratha, which is very popular. We can say the very popular Indian breakfast. It is made up of the whole wheat flour and chopped methi, water, salt, and optional is cumin powder, chili powders are the optional. We make a dough and then we portion it, divide it into equal portions, roll out and cook it. It is very flavor and nutritious, and serving is served the hot methi parathas with a yogurt, pickle, and any other dips. Here are the some photos of the food walk in our college, which is conducted in our college. So the last portion is the learning outcomes from this particular subject. First one is social connects. Understand the human relations and their impact on the personal well-being. Second, develop effective communication skills of meaningful conversation. And the second outcome is benefit of social connect. It improves the emotional intelligence and conflict resolution skills and enhance collaboration with both personal and professional setting. building a foundation of stronger and supportive communities. And the third one is social responsibilities. In social responsibilities, recognizing ethical obligation towards communities and the world. And the fourth one is active participation. In this, engaging the community serves to address local, support environmental sustainability efforts. And the fifth one is educational impact, equipping students with skill to navigate a globalized world, fostering a sense of interconnectedness and shared responsibilities, and empowering individual to address social changes collaboratively. These are the outcomes from this subject called social connect responsibilities. Thank you so much.